Dear students, hope you are doing great by the grace of Almighty. In today's video, I want to discuss about a trigonometric problem, that is, if cosecant of a negative cot A is equal 1 by x, then show that secant of A is equal x square plus 1 by x square negative 1. Here, given that cosecant of A negative cot A is equal 1 by x, or we can write cosecant of A as 1 by sine of A negative cotangent of A, like cosine A by sine A is equal 1 by x, or if we take a simplification, then we have LCM of sine A and sine A, that means sine A. Now if we divide LCM by sine A, then we have 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 is equal 1 negative. If we divide sine A by sine A, then we get 1 and 1 multiplied by cos A, that means cos A is equal 1 by x, or here see that our desired term should be x squared, that means we have to take square on both sides. Now if we have square on both sides, we get 1 minus cos A whole square by sine square A is equal 1 by x square. Now if we have the numerator as same, then we get 1 minus cos A whole square by, if we write sine square A like 1 minus cos square A, and the right hand side would be 1 by x square. Now the numerator we can now we can write the numerator as 1 minus cos A multiplied by 1 minus cos A, and denominator like a square minus b squared, that means a plus b into a minus b, that means 1 plus cosine of A multiplied by 1 minus cosine of A, and the right side would be 1 by x square. If we eliminate 1 minus cos A from numerator and denominator, then we get 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. That means we get 1 negative cos A by 1 plus cos A is equal 1 by x square. If we take an inverted row of our equation, then we should change the numerator and denominator. Here we can write 1 plus cos A by 1 minus cos A is equal to x square by 1. Now if we take a componendo and dividendo on both sides, then we have 1 plus cosine of A plus 1 minus cosine A by 1 plus cosine A minus 1 plus cosine A is equal x squared plus 1 by x squared minus 1. Here, see that positive cos A and negative cos A is eliminated. That's why, as in the denominator, we see that positive 1 and negative 1 is eliminated. So, we have plus 2 and plus 2, that means 2 by 2 times of cos A plus cos A, that means 2 times of cos A is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Now, if we eliminate 2 from numerator and denominator, then we have 1 by cosine of A is equal x square plus 1 by x square negative 1. And we know that 1 by cosine of A, that means secant of A is equal x square plus 1 by x square negative 1, which is our desired term. That's why we can say that if cosec A minus cot A is equal to 1 by x, then secant of A would be x square plus 1 by x square minus 1. Here should. Thanks for watching the video.